Welcome to the DVD Owner's Manual for Hitch On Pet Salons. Thank you for purchasing your Hitch On Pet Salons grooming trailer. We'll start our tour on the outside of the trailer. Most of our grooming trailers do come equipped with a generator in an enclosure, and most of the enclosures operate very similar to this one. Let's begin. All of our generator enclosures are secured with 1, 2, or 3 padlocks. These locks are in a special device that locks the box closed for security reasons. To operate the generator, you first must open the enclosure. After you remove the padlocks, lift the lid and clasp the hasp against the front of the trailer to secure the lid from falling down. The lid holdback unit simply snaps into place to keep it from falling down. The side door of the generator box gives you access to all the controls for the starting, plugging in the electricity, etc. Simply remove the pin as shown and prop the door open with the tie back, similar to the one on the lid unit. Make sure you use the door holdbacks at all times when operating the generator. If the doors should accidentally close while operating, you could overheat the unit and damage the generator. The power cord adapter for this Honda 3000 generator has 3 prongs. Notice one of the prongs has a little tip on it that lines up with the matching tip on the input of the unit. Line up the pins on the plugs to the holes on the receptacle, insert the unit into the generator and twist slightly to the right till it clicks. This will lock the generator plug adapter into the hole. The RV plug on the trailer has 3 plugs also. Simply plug this into the adapter, the yellow adapter on the generator, and you are now ready to start the unit and begin operation. On the street side of the tongue, you'll find a small battery box. The battery inside is simply an emergency power supply for the electric brake system on your trailer. The freshwater inlet fill tube is located at the rear of the trailer on the curb side. To fill the tank with fresh water, simply open the lid, insert the fill tube, and open the valve. Monitor the system at all times to prevent overfilling. If you accidentally do overfill the tube, water will squirt out of the overfill hose, and if you're standing in the way, you just may get wet. When you open the rear service compartment door of your trailer, you'll see everything laid out neat and orderly and easy to get at for service and for maintenance. The water inlet fill tube is connected to this large hose that comes down from the side of the trailer into the top of the fresh water tank. The small tube is the overflow and the air breather tube. Both the fresh and the gray water tanks are secured to the floor of the unit with ratchet straps, just like the ones used on the generator. Be sure to check the tension on these straps periodically by lifting up on the handle to make sure the strap is kept tight. Loose straps could cause damage to the water system on your unit. Your trailer is equipped with a 110-volt RV-style fresh water pump. The pump is located on the board below the tub in the rear service compartment of your trailer. On the right side of the pump is the strainer basket and the filter. By removing the clear plastic bubble, you can clean the filter and prevent contaminations from entering into your water system. If your trailer is equipped with a central vacuum system, it's normally mounted on the rear door of the trailer. When you open the door, the system swings out for easy access for service and maintenance. Always make sure the unit switch is turned to the on position. It has an off and an on. In the on position, the unit will be controlled by the electric switch in the cabin shop area of the trailer. Most of our units are also equipped with heat tape. This heat tape is wrapped around all the freshwater supply lines on the trailer and protects them from freezing in cold weather. The heat tape system has a built-in line thermostat, and when plugged in, it will automatically come on when the temperature reaches approximately 38 degrees. When the system is in use, make sure it is plugged in properly to the auxiliary plug in the rear of the trailer. A small glowing light will come on the line when power is applied. At the top of the rear service compartment area is access to the supply shelf. This shelf is also accessible from inside the trailer. You can load it from the rear and unload from the front. It also makes the corners, which are hard to reach from the inside, accessible for storage of wanted items. We have included a few safety items on your trailer, like this carbon monoxide detector. Make sure this detector operates properly. Please read the service manual and the operation manual for your carbon monoxide detector. This will help you from having a problem with the generator exhaust fumes and gases that may occur and collect inside the trailer. Another helpful way to prevent fumes from collecting inside your trailer, whether you're using the generator or just from the pet supplies you'll be using, is to make sure your exhaust fan is operating properly. You can crack the vent slightly open by using this control knob and then turn the fan on just a little bit to just pull some air gently through the trailer. If you don't want to exhaust air from the trailer, like air conditioning air, you can just simply open the vent and let the gases escape as they rise through the unit. All of our trailers come equipped with a 12-volt power supply. This power supply runs the exhaust fan that we showed you previously. On units with a built-in front cabinet system, the power supply is located inside the front cabinet. On other units, the power supply is located in the rear service compartment area, usually on the street side of the trailer. Another safety item included in your trailer is a fire extinguisher. It may be located in different areas on different models. Please read the instruction manual supplied with your owner's manual package to familiarize yourself with use and operation of this unit. Most of our units come standard with a pistol grip spray nozzle. This nozzle has a variable output so you can adjust the spray from hard to soft or whatever you'd like to have in between. When you grip the spray nozzle, the pump will come on. This is normal operation. If the pump cycles while the spray is running, don't be alarmed. This is the way it's supposed to work. We offer a wide variety of dryers with our trailers. If your unit is so equipped, please check the owner's manual for complete proper operation and maintenance of your dryer. If you have chosen a hydraulic lift grooming table as one of your options, it's clamped to the floor with a series of clamps. These clamps are removed as shown. When all three clamps have been lifted up, simply slide the table forward and you can pull it away from the wall to do larger breed dogs or for cleaning and maintenance. To reinstall the trailer, simply slide it back under the clamp tabs and then press down on the handles on all three clamps to secure the table to the floor. This will keep it from falling over as you travel. To raise your hydraulic lift table, simply pump the foot pedal as shown. To lower the table, press the foot pedal all the way to the floor and the weight will gradually let the table lower down to the proper height. And lifting it locks the table into position. To drain the water from your gray water system, simply remove the cap from the drain line as shown. A simple twist about a quarter of a turn to the left will do. Then pull the T-handle and the water will evacuate quickly. If you wish to drain the water slowly or direct it to a certain area like the bushes or the weeds or the drain in the road, simply attach the 10-foot garden hose included and then once again pull the drain handle. The water will come out the garden hose in the exact direction that you wish it to go.